Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a getting my shit back together vlog. I feel like I haven't cleaned this apartment in so long and I just need to get my stuff together. I've just been like avoiding doing laundry, sorting out my mail. I need to deep clean my film room, and so I figured I would just make a vlog out of it because I personally like watching people clean stuff and I like watching vlog videos better than anything else on YouTube. So I thought I would do a vlog video for you guys since I haven't done that in a long time. I ordered some groceries earlier today and they just came. If you guys don't know about ordering your groceries, it is the best thing in the world. I've been doing it a lot lately and I probably shouldn't, but today I didn't really want to leave my apartment. The last 2 days I just got back into working out. I took a couple classes and I am so sore to the point of it like hurts to be sitting on my knees right now. I don't know how I'm doing this. And so I just didn't really want to walk around the store and pick out groceries and lift things. I know that sounds pathetic, but I haven't worked out in a couple months and I'm so sore. Like even the bottom part of my abs and my butt cheeks are sore, which is like really hard to get sore. So I clearly was really out of shape, but getting back into working out, I'm really sad that I stopped, but you know, life happens, things happen. But anyways, my groceries just came and I figured I would do a little grocery haul. I know a lot of people have been asking like what I get at the store for groceries. Like in my past videos, in my past vlogs, you guys, some of you guys have been wondering what I get. So I'm gonna copy KK and Baby J and do a grocery haul. Excuse you. Excuse you. Okay, this is just not gonna work out for me. It's not gonna work out for me. Oranges, a cat, bananas, avocados, apples, 1 green pepper, walnuts, craisins, Oreos, coffee, brown rice, almond milk, salad mix, some frozen beef, fake beef, mushrooms, frozen meals. These are my favorite frozen meals ever. The Amy's teriyaki bowls. And then over here I just got a bunch of beans and stuff because I'm gonna be making chili tonight. Chili. Lenny, no. Lenny. Okay, now I'm just gonna do some laundry. I need to wash my sheets and stuff. Okay, pretty much everything is done except for my terrifying film room. I usually don't let this room get this bad, but I've just been really busy this month especially. I feel like has been the busiest month since I started my new job. And so I just, well, I mean, I've had time, but I just make up excuses to not come in here and clean this room. It's really bad. Like I have so many bags that I need to go through and organize. My backdrop is still up. There's a full table of makeup that I did last time I filmed. Those are giveaway bags. I guess it's not that bad, but I just hate clutter so much, so this is very overwhelming for me. Okay, let's get started, shall we? Like I bought all of these organizers and I still haven't used them yet. Like I love backdrops for videos. I think it looks so pretty. but they are truly the worst thing to put together. I know some people use big rolls of paper, so it's easier to just like roll them up and then roll them down so you don't have to deal with all the creases. But those rolls of paper are really hard to find and really expensive, so it sucks because I really like backdrops. Okay, that took a lot longer than expected. All right, so here's what the room's looking like now. This room is never gonna look like completely clean just because there's so many lights and just a lot of stuff going on, but you know, it's the cleanest it's gonna be. These bags are never gonna go away. I'm just gonna keep making bags for giveaways. I just have come to the conclusion that this couch is never gonna be free to sit on, but it's looking a lot better than what it was before. Huffing! Okay, I took a little break. Now I'm gonna start making some dinner, but before I start the chili, I want to make some smoothies. For tomorrow, I always make like a bunch of smoothies for the morning for me and Chloe, so it's an easy and fast breakfast with a lot of good things inside of it. Okay guys, that is pretty much it for today. I'm tired and I kind of just want to sit down and finish editing a couple of videos, and that's pretty much all the cleaning I had to do today and all the tasks that I had to do today, kind of like meal prepping and just making sure everything is good for the rest of the week. But yeah, I have no idea how this video is going to turn out. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it. I always like watching cleaning videos. Those are like some of my favorite videos to watch. It's just so satisfying to see people clean their homes. I don't know why, but I love it. And I hope that you guys like this video and it wasn't a total disaster. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.